This video is about the product IFB 6 kilograms fully automatic front load washing machine. With the IFB fully automatic washing machine, you can transform that dirty pile of clothes into fresh and clean laundry. With 15 wash programs and 800 revolutions per minute, this 6 kilograms washing machine ensures seamless performance. Fully automatic front load with special settings for best wash quality. 800 revolutions per minute, higher the spin speed, lower the drying time. Number of wash programs 15. With higher wash programs, wash a variety of fabrics. Stainless steel, best in class, can withstand higher spin speeds for quick drying and durable. 6 kilograms, great for single, couple. 4 years comprehensive IFB warranty. This product available online in this link. http://fkrt.it/oxfamnoon. Visit www.productnewsgroup.webs.com for more product news. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video useful. Share with your friends and relatives. Subscribe Products News Group in World Channel. God bless. Wish you have a happy life.